Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to disable WhatsApp without deleting it on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on settings. Okay, then scroll down and click on general. Then tap on iPhone storage. Just click and scroll down, choose on this app WhatsApp. Okay, and click on offload app, then tap on offload app. Just click and this app, okay, check, disable this app without deleting. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.